Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a fun unboxing. For a change, it will not be luxury designer goods, but something that we could definitely afford. And I got this two shoes, and also I have some other items to share with you guys. So this one is from Nike, and this is the shoe that I got online. The reason why I got this is I was drawn to the panda design shoes, and it's very pricey. It's like 285 USD at Farfetch, and I bought it, but I don't like the comfort of it, so it was returned. And when I saw this at Nike online, I was so happy that they got it in women's size, or maybe this is unisex, but for some reason this is comfy and cheaper. And this is called the Air Jordan 1 Elevate Low Women's Shoes. And as you can see, it looks similar as the Panda one. It has this color in here and white, and also in here the back is a little bit different. I think this one has no wings to it. I'm not really an expert in Nike shoes, so I don't really care if this one doesn't have wings to it. And this one also has like Jordan trying to shoot the ball here, Michael Jordan trying to shoot the ball, and at the bottom it has a good traction to it. This is really made well. And what excites me with this, guys, is this has a cork footbed that it's soft, and also it has a height to it. Here, if you're gonna measure the height, it is 1 inch, and it's very comfy. It's in leather, and I got this in US size 8 in women's and 6.5 in men. So apparently this is a women's shoe. That's why it really has a good fit. It's true to size for me. I am size 8 in Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, and same thing with Nike Air Jordan 1. And this is the other pair. Other pair looks like this, and it really complements if you wear joggers, if you wear pants. It complements very well, and it is nice that it has a height to it. And it comes with this one is the description of the shoe. So this is really a popular look of the shoe, and I think the one that first came out, it will come out and then you have to buy it at double the price. However, this at Nike.com, this is only 135 US dollars depending on the color. Some colors cost 145 USD, but I'm happy with this blue color, and I cannot wait to wear this. The comfort is really the same as the designer shoes that I got from Louis Vuitton and Chanel. I'm not really a sneaker head, guys, but I'm glad that I was able to try this Nike Air Jordan 1, as it is comfy and goes well with casual outfits or at leisure that you have. And because I love this, I've not even worn this, but I went back to the website and got another pair. And this one is the red color and gray. It is so beautifully made. For some reason, this one is narrower than the other one. I'm not sure why. It's the same women's size 8. Here it has Michael Jordan here shooting the ball, and nothing in here. And at the bottom it looks like this. And the other pair, and it has the same tag as the other one, and it looks like this. Very beautiful, guys. If you're gonna put it on your foot, it looks like this. It's just a beautiful shoes from Nike. And the other one, if you compare it side by side, it looks like this. So it's nice that there's a neutral color, and then there's another one in red and gray color. This is actually outside of my comfort zone as I'm more like on the simpler look, but it's nice to be able to go outside of the box and try other combinations such as this red and gray. So what do you think about this, guys? I really love it and I cannot wait to wear this. We will be traveling in Europe and I'm gonna bring this. I don't know if I can still bring another pair as we will travel light as we will be going from one country to another. Next one, guys, if you're still interested to watch, I got this bucket bag. I have not worn this yet. It's from Staud. And I got this on sale at Neiman Marcus for, I think, close to $200. This is $450 retail, and when I saw it, I was so excited as it is in raffia and leather. This is my first raffia bag. This raffia is durable. They dyed it into brown, and then this leather, this brownish leather just complemented to it. It says Staud here. I think Staud is based in Los Angeles and founded by a young entrepreneur, female, and other celebrities are also wearing her clothes and using her bag. And this is the lining. The lining is very thick canvas, and you can really put a lot of stuff in here. The shoulder is non-adjustable, and I also like that at the other side it has a belt loop in here, and if you don't like the Staud lettering showing, you can turn it on the other side, and when you wear it, it looks like this. Good for casual outfits, and it has a big opening to it, and you can also like close it together like so. So I guess this one needs a bag organizer as it turns to shrink like this whenever you put it down, maybe depending on how much you're gonna put in. So I'm happy with this purchase, with this bucket bag. This shorts from Rag & Bone. This is in sale. I think this is close to $200, and I got this for $65 USD at Neiman Marcus. I haven't worn this yet, but I already washed it. That's why there's like threads hanging. It has a button fly closure, and at the back it looks like this. I want it in a bigger size so I can wear like a fitted top on it. So I'm excited with this purchase as well, and it's on sale. And recently I've been buying this Alo Yoga sweatpants, and this one is in this style, which has like a garter down below, like a jogger type. And here it has like aloe. I washed this already, but I have not, all of this I have not worn it yet since it's still hot here in my state. And this is in small size. And Alo Yoga has a nice give. Their small is like a medium, and I really love the loose fit. So this one is in black, and I also got another black from Alo Yoga, and this one has a bigger give down below on the foot, and it's like a straight cut, which is also nice. This is in size small. Doesn't look nice on me, but it is warm enough and comfy that I kept it, and I can't wait to wear this on winter. Last two items, and this is from L&M website, and they really make like quality shirts and pants and athleisure, and this says like cha. This is in small, but it is big, and I like the relaxed and loose fit to it. And I also, this is the new product also from L&M. I got this in medium, and this is a trouser pant. It really has a nice fit to it, but the cloth material is so thin. It's thin and it doesn't stretch. And here it is. It's not as pricey, so compared with other trouser pants, this is affordable. I also love that it has a garter at the back, but if you can see, this is the garter. It's already folding like this. So there's, I don't know if there's a tendency for this to flip over like that, but it's not really as well made. Considering the price from other trouser pants, I guess this is acceptable. So again, this is what it looks like at the bottom, and I'm 5'4", and it's just have the right fit. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and may all of you have a nice day, and please do like and subscribe. So I'll see you again next time. Bye.